हमारी इंडियन ऑडियंस को जितना प्यार हमारे ओरिजिनल सास बहू ड्रामा से है, उतना ही ज्यादा प्यार उनको रियलिटी शोज से है. लॉकडाउन और नो लॉकडाउन, रियलिटी शोज आर ऑलवेज वन ऑफ द टॉप मोस्ट वॉच शोज ऑन द इंडियन टेलीविजन फ्रंट. बट क्या ये वक्त आ गया है करीब कि जिसमें हम लोग इसको बात को बाहर ला सकते हैं कि कैसे टेलीविजन शोज आर हाइडिंग अंडर द ग्रैब ऑफ रियलिटी? आर दे रियली रियल? इफ यस, देन टू व्हाट एक्सटेंट? क्या ये शोज वाकई में वर्थ है वॉचिंग के? क्या ये शोज वाकई में सच्चे हैं, और इट्स जस्ट द सेक दैट रियलिटी शो का रियलिटी कहीं लाई नहीं करता है? Senior TV producer and veteran Bollywood actor Manoj Kumar's cousin Manish Goswami, who has also produced about 35 shows over the last 27 years, जैसे कि दरार, अधिकार, आशीर्वाद, कर्तव्य, मिलन, किटी पार्टी and a lot many others. उनके हिसाब से in India, reality shows are completely scripted. They are scripted to an extent that they become viewer friendly. The target audience has been identified and they are given what they are waiting for. The makers want to get all the expressions in just 45 to 60 minutes capsule, and the viewer's excitement question is kept in mind. But I don't think that this happens abroad, as they are very strict there. Foreign reality TV shows, be it American Idol, Big Brother or many other reality shows, the authenticity, transparency and accountability is far higher than in Indian formats. No twists and turns is made for melodrama. The format is followed to the T. No creative person's contribution is overruled or modified once it is locked. This in turn implies that each contributor's work is respected and think of it shouldn't be it. Each of the contributors' work is respected, and honestly, just think about it. Shouldn't that be the case here? Well, Goswami ने इसी बात को आगे pinpoint करते हुए कहा that the beneficiaries of such shows are far few between. Public memory is short here. After their victories and promising performances, the participants are completely forgotten. कोई एक आध है जो उभर के आता है यहाँ. But this was not the case earlier. Sunidhi Chauhan, Arijit Singh, Shreya Ghosal, Big Boss 14's contestant Rahul Vaidya, and a few others are also the product of reality shows. Well, Saroj Khan was asked to favor some of the contestants. Well, ऐसा claim उनकी बेटी ने किया था. Legendary Saroj Khan's daughter, Sukaina, told to a leading portal that her mother, after judging some of the reality shows, had stopped accepting them. Sukaina ने कहा, they wanted my mother to favor some contestants because those contestants were paying them. इसको first रखो, इसको second रखो. Mom, who was also a blunt person, took a stand against the wrongs and around her. Said that she would rather stand by her ethics than do such biased project. The channel airing Big Boss not too long ago had offered the show to a non-controversial J.D. Majatia, the chairman of the TV and web wing, Indian film and TV producer, on more than one occasion. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely amused. Emphasizing the Big Boss of Splitsvilla or Roadies can't give any acting offers because acting is not judged by how you fight or throw plates, mouth abuse, said Majatia. But J.D. Majatia ने इसी बात को कंटिन्यू करते हुए कहा, अरे जूही परमार season 5 and उर्वशी ढोलकिया season 6 getting shows after Big Boss because they won it? Certainly not. They are getting work because they have good track record as far as their body of work goes for. According to Majatia, the 2-year contracts with the channel can make lives. Look at Rahul Vaidya, who is now also in Big Boss 14. उसकी तो life बन गई after he appeared in Indian Idol season 1. Till today, he earns well from his shows, and some of the shows he does on the big platforms with Sonu Nigam. Ashka Goradia, however, feels that reality show worldwide, and this is simply because people enjoy seeing other people's misfortune, which is a psychological problem. Well, एक ने तो ये तक कहा, you get paid to tarnish your image. Dolly Bindra said this thing, a former contestant of Big Boss. Bollywood choreographer Ganesh Acharya, who was being chased to become a judge, has turned down many reality shows, hinting that the music contest like all similar. Acharya also laments that the dancing on Indian television is not something that offers in the Bollywood films, where his services are required. वो shows मेरी dance से अलग है, he clarified. Dolly Bindra said that a lot of filmmakers chased her to Delhi where she was shooting soon after she came out of BB4. But those were short-term gains and I got really typecast after that. Everybody who wanted me to play a negative role. Dolly does not regret doing Big Boss, but comes out with a very hard-hitting line. We are paid on such shows to tarnish our image. Producer of shows like Ace of Space and Code Red, Vikas Gupta, who was also seen in BB13, disagrees. If the contestants are careful, I don't see how a show can tarnish your image. The belief that the reality show tarnished her image is false. Meanwhile, Koina Mitra, who was quite annoyed when she was eliminated from BB13 in 2 weeks span, is still calling a spade a spade. Reality shows on Indian television will always work. People like chaos and debates and are bursting of the bubble. A lot of people who are inside the show end up doing things that they shouldn't be doing. The viewers in turn become curious if they can see anything lower than they are. They may not even like it and in fact dislike it. So it's a win-win situation for the TV producers. Ashna Garadia has also mellowed down from the day when she was lashed out at Bigg Boss 6 show when she felt that it was painted her as a lesbian, as she applied a lip balm on a co-contestant Sana Khan's back, and now says that the people who hate the show would do anything to stay away from it, rather complain. I think Bigg Boss वो शादी वाला लड्डू है जो खाओ तो भी पछताओ और जो ना खाओ तो भी पछताओ. But can I tell you something? Today our reality shows are more real than the people who are entering it. These shows, however, somehow make the youngsters adrenal flow. 20-year-old Chetna Pandey, who participated in Ace of Space, says, "No, our reality shows are not scripted. In such shows, a real personality comes out sooner or later. The people connect with you better than before. Your followers on social media increase. You can get better work and form appearances like Divya Agrawal and Brother Sood for one. Shruti Sinha and Basir Ali are also doing really great. Post Ace of Space, I got Class of 2020. And then I also did a web show." Prateek Sehajpal, जो कि रह चुके हैं Bigg Boss 14 contestant Pavitra Punya के ex-boyfriend, was also a runner-up to Divya Agrawal's show in Ace of Space, endorses Chetna's views with an explanation to it. An increase in your social media popularity is invariable, but I'm clear that reality shows are not scripted. It is only for some contestants who come with a preconceived idea that they need to exhibit a certain image that one tends to get an impression that the show is manipulated. They get dramatic and percolate a feeling that the shows have a rigid script. पर इसी बात पे आगे बात करते हुए जब ये सवाल किया गया कि are wedding theme shows a hoax? मुझसे शादी करोगी's 29-year-old Ankita Srivastava is also not against the reality shows but quite positive about them as MSK helped her gain a lot of followers on social media. Ankita ने कहा, "Despite having a verified account, I had only 24k followers on Instagram. When I exited the show, I had 100k, and now I have 174k followers. Also, our reality shows help us to look at ourselves clearly. We have many fixed ideas in our heads, but participating in reality shows makes you realize that some, or maybe even many, of those ideas are misplaced." 22-year-old Shivani Jha, who was a part of MSK also before it ended, abruptly owing to COVID-19, says, "I have heard that reality shows are all scripted, but after MSK, I certainly don't endorse that option. I had it clear in mind that I was going into the show not to get married, but just to be on the TV." Well, एक contestant ये भी कहती नजर आई हैं कि हमारा reality shows lack originality. Well, Daljit Kaur, who is a former contestant of BB13, who has also participated in Nach Baliye, earlier says it was earlier not the case. Sobs and tears were real but no longer. आज audiences know कि एक couple का breakup हो गया है. When I did Nach Baliye in 2008, that is season 4, I remember how petrified we were when Farah Khan, Arjun Rampal and Karishma Kapoor actually walked out. When I couldn't be ready for 2 dances in one go, as I hadn't got the time due to my constant shoots of 2 shows wherein I was playing the leads. Back then, I had actually apologized to Farah Khan, Arjun Rampal and Karishma Kapoor. But does that happen now in real life? Isn't that all such done in shoots for TRPs? In today's times, the public almost knows what is going to happen next. इसी बात को कंटिन्यू करते वो कहती हैं, coming to Bigg Boss 14, Nikita Bulli saying inside the house that she can't watch the utensils because of her acrylic nails was such a pre-planned statement, and so was the statement that she was missing her BF and hence wants to wear his t-shirt. So what's original? Nothing. Trust me, Paras Chhabra had advised me to break the matki as that would help me draw attention. But I did not. If I had stayed any longer, who knows, I might have learned a few tricks of the trade. Anup Jalota, who has something similar to say. He comes to give an example of how hungry the participants are to get on the camera. When I was a part of Bigg Boss as in season 12, Srishant would climb up so many times and threaten to jump out. Referring to Daljit's point of view, the contestants smartly prepare their portrayals to get more on-screen footage. We asked Jalota how he felt when Tasneem Mathari used his name in BB12 and said that they were in relationship when they were about to step inside the house. बट इसी बात को ब्रश ऑफ करते हुए अनूप जलोटा ने कहा, मेरे अंदर गुस्से का एलिमेंट बिल्कुल एब्सेंट है. Not to forget the Mara-Mari in the Roadies and Splitsvilla. Neha Dhupia had said, when a person judging a reality show, statements are made, mispresented, and taken out of context. In April this year, Neha made quite some noise about Bola Kuch Aur Dikhaya Kuch Aur incident. Unfortunately, a small chunk of what I said in Roadies was kind of highlighted. Whereas what I was trying to imply was the fact that under no circumstances in domestic violence is okay. Therefore, I think only half of it was picked up. वही कहना गलत नहीं है कि रियलिटी शो की रियलिटी दिन ब दिन बढ़ती जा रही है, या फिर शायद लोग बाकी में रियलिटी शो को एक टीआरपी के शो की तरह ट्रीट करने में बिलीव कर चुके हैं। आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिख के बताइएगा कि आपको क्या लगता है, रियलिटी शोज क्या वाकई में अब रियल रह चुके हैं? हाउ रियल आर आवर रियलिटी शोज? इस बारे में आप लोगों का क्या कहना है? कमेंट सेक्शन में अपनी राय हमारे साथ जरूर शेयर करिएगा। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world.
All about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.